Good evening, welcome to neindia.com news. A 16-wheeler truck fell into a river after bridge collapse. Let's take a look at the report.
A 16-wheeler truck loaded with stones fell into a river after the bridge collapsed at 30 Card over Sharma River in Gandacherra subdivision. Following the incident, the truck driver fled the scene and remains absconding. A pedestrian was injured during the accident. It is often witnessed that heavy-loaded lorries and carriers pass through lightweight iron-structured bridges, leading to such mishaps. Authorities are now investigating the cause of the collapse and monitoring similar structures to prevent further incidents.
Stay tuned for updates, and don't forget to subscribe our channel by hitting the bottom right logo.